Yo, what's up? Welcome to my guys. Welcome to my video. Ayun, installation ng ating piso wifi dito sa may kay boss kuya, boss Danny dito sa may Bilong. Yung mga malapit sa area, you can connect sa ating piso wifi, Skytech piso wifi by boss Danny. This is powered by Skytech internet source sa PLDT po. Punta dia mong connect at tapo. Ayun. Nakuha ka. Yung compass natin na ginamit is pang malakasang AP, dual band 2.4 and 5G. EW85 I think. Ayun. So yung nilagay ko na internet dito is speed niya is nasa 15 Mbps. So sa mga gusto pong magpa-install ng kanilang piso wifi, you can message me anytime, anywhere, basta online. Yun. So doon Skytech always at your service. Good day and God bless.